Act 3, Scene 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream, takes place in the same enchanted forest as the previous scene. This scene is often referred to as the play within a play, or the rude mechanicals scene, as it focuses on the comical interactions among the group of amateur actors known as the mechanicals. The scene opens with the arrival of the mechanicals in the forest, led by their enthusiastic but foolish leader, Peter Quince. They have gathered to rehearse their play, the most lamentable comedy and most cruel death of Pyramus and Thisbe, which they plan to perform at the wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. Quince assigns the different roles to the actors, emphasizing the need for clear enunciation and exaggerated gestures to ensure that the audience understands the play. Each actor receives their respective part, with Bottom once again appointed as the lead role of Pyramus. As the actors begin their rehearsal, they face numerous challenges. Bottom, who still has the head of a donkey due to Puck's earlier prank, causes great amusement and confusion among the group. The other actors try to suppress their laughter but struggle to stay focused on their lines. During the rehearsal, the mechanicals make several mistakes, mixing up their lines and misunderstanding their cues. The dialogue is riddled with unintentional humor and nonsensical interpretations. However, the actors remain earnest in their efforts, believing they are performing a serious and tragic play. While the mechanicals struggle through their rehearsal, the mischievous Puck enters the scene and observes them with amusement. Puck decides to play tricks on them, using his magic to further confuse and disrupt their performance. He transforms Bottom's voice into a variety of different tones and accents, adding to the hilarity of the situation. Despite the interruptions and mishaps, the mechanicals persist in their rehearsal, determined to give their best performance. Their earnestness and lack of self-awareness contribute to the comedic effect of the scene. The scene concludes with Quince trying to maintain order and rein in the chaos caused by the bumbling actors. He reminds them of the importance of their upcoming performance at the wedding and urges them to continue rehearsing diligently. The mechanicals exit the scene, eager to refine their play and showcase their talents. Act 3, Scene 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream serves as a comedic interlude within the larger play. It provides comic relief and contrasts with the more complex romantic entanglements of the human and fairy characters. The scene highlights the theme of theatricality and the playful nature of performance, adding an element of humor and lightness to the overall narrative. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.